Hello guys, it's your boy Team Rocket DZ. Today is the day we've been waiting for. Yes, it's finally here. We got our hands on this beautiful, sexy Destined Rivals ETB. We're gonna be on the bolo for Sabrina's Garchomp and Team Rocket's Mewtwo. For added luck, I went ahead and grabbed 4 extra booster packs. Fingers crossed. We got the Scarlet Violet Destined Rivals booklet. Look at this sexy box. Come on now. Let's see what's inside. Of course, we got the mandatory energy cards. These damage points. These sexy dice. I'm such a huge fan of dices, a collector of dices as well. This just became my favorite. These beautiful card sleeves with Giovanni the Boss and Mewtwo. And guess who makes his appearance as a promo card? Wow, Buffet! As you can see, it comes with 9 Destined Rivals booster packs. And as an extra precaution, I got these extra 4, like I said, coming to a grand total of 13. I just noticed that. Bad luck. We'll see. Let's wheel 'em and deal 'em. Alright, remember guys, we're gonna be looking out for Cynthia's Garchomp and Team Rocket's Mewtwo. So we got a Steel Energy, Cyndaquil, Mischief, Romantis, Team Rocket's Proton, Shaman. Let's go, baby! Come on! Let's go, guys! First pack magic, let's go! First pack magic, we pulled the boss, come on! Let's leave that up. Next pack. lot of people are having really good pull rates with this. All right, Aracuda, Mischief, Lily, Goodbye, Team Rockets, Murkrow, come on, Team Rockets, Watchtower, Yanma, Mareep. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Come on. All right, nothing there. Next pack. Third time's the charm. Water basic energy. Growlithe. Swallow. Electabuzz. La Rosalia. Floodson. Electric. Raising. Blaziken. Team Rockets. Wobbuffet. Wobbuffet. Come on, back to back. What? I must have pulled it from the extra packs. Cause there's no way I got Team Rocket's Mewtwo. Oh no, never mind. I take that back. I thought it was Team Rocket's Mewtwo. It's actually Team Rocket's Persian. Team Rocket's Mewtwo. And Team Rocket's Persian. Speaking of Persian, let's go. Alright guys, next pack. I'm telling you guys, this pack is really good. Like, has really good pull rates. I can't wait to buy some more. Let's see what the wife says about that though. Alright, Fire Energy, Nidorina, Toy. Misty Psyduck, Crystal, Team Rocket's Rocket, nothing there. Basura. Fire Energy, just Magikarp, Infant's Pichu, Taurus, that's actually my zodiac sign, Taurus, Pharos, come on, Rotom, come on, let's go. Can't miss. I can't miss. I mean, it's pretty mid, but a hit's a hit. The pack is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Team Rockets Energy, nice. Oregon Z, Eurota. Come on, Reggie Rock. Hitties a hitty. Pack number 7, lucky number 7, let's go. I smell Sabrina's Garchomp right here on this one. I smell Cynthia's Garchomp on this one. Come on, guys. I feel pretty heavy too. Let's go. Basic Energy, Leaf Energy, Cyndaquil, Zubat, El Narizon, Raticate. Come on, Team Rocket's Profile. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? Come on. Come on, guys. I told you guys, it felt heavy. I got a nose for that, bro. I got a nose for that. And this needs, come on. Team Rocket Marco, come on, guys. Full art. SIR, let's go, baby. All right. It's not fair. I'm getting a lot of hits. Leave some for the rest of us. Alright. Come on. Nidoran. La Vida. Manitrick. Team Rockets Factory. The Judge. Bro, this ETB was loaded, man. This ETB was loaded, guys. Come on. Look at that. Yeah, sexy. And Team Rocket's Articuno. Number 9. Psychic Energy. Is that a sign for Mewtwo, maybe? We'll see. It's Luckmon, Meditite. Come on, Misty Starmie, Rapidash. If you know, you know. We're going 2. Come on, bro. Come on, Annihilate. These guys are gonna be thinking I loaded this, bro. I'm not gonna do any edits. I'm just gonna upload this video as is, cause I'm telling you, they're gonna think I loaded this. Team Rocket Spite Ups. The hit rate on this ETB is insane. And I'm not getting paid, just so you know. Go and get this set, guys, I promise you. electricity, coughing, condom, recycler, come on, Blaziken. About time I missed. I mean, I could say I missed before, but those hollows were pretty nice. So was it really a miss? Was it really a miss? I think I'm gonna try to complete this set. I don't know. Pretty expensive. Cynical, Zubat, nobody wants you. Nose Bass, Radicate, Hondo, Misty Staryu, and Team Rockets. Voila, some more. I mean, honestly, if I don't get no more hits, I'm good. I can't be greedy. All right, Psychic Energy. Mewtwo incoming. Is it? The Judge. Team Rocket's Great Ball. Come on, bro. Oh man, I'm gonna go and buy a lotto ticket. I'm gonna go and buy a lotto ticket today. Sabrina for the last pack magic. Is she gonna come through? That's Sabrina Garchomp. Come on. We still need you. We're looking for you. Please. Don't be shy now. Don't be shy now. Alright. Come on. Swallow. La Rosalía. Hydra. You're nobody's favorite Pokemon. But I mean, I didn't really leave empty-handed now, did I? I got the Team Rocket's Crobat. Team Rocket's Spidops. Clamprow. Beautiful card. Team Rocket's Murkrow. The Regirock. Yanmega. Team Rocket's Mewtwo. And Team Rocket's Persian. Come on, let's go. Fun fact. I know my name is Team Rocket Dizzy, so you already know which one's my favorite Pokemon. You guessed it. Yeah. So I was so happy when I saw this card. I know it wasn't on my chase list. I wasn't on the bolo for this one, but I'm so glad I got it. With that being said, guys, go ahead and if you can, get your hands on this set because there was so many hits. It's the most hits I've got on a single ETB. It's unreal. I can't believe it. I'm definitely gonna try and beat the scalpers, but we'll see. Anyways, go out there, guys. Go Pokemon hunt, catch them all. See you next time. Team Rocket Dizzy. Logging out.